Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Retool for internal tools without coding, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Retool website. On the home page, locate the Get Started button, typically found at the top right corner. Click on the Get Started button to proceed. You will see various options for creating an account. Select the option that best fits your needs, such as sign up with Google or sign up with email. If you choose to sign up with email, enter your email address in the designated field. Create a strong password and fill it in the provided box. After completing the email and password fields, click on the Sign Up button. A verification email will be sent to your email address. Go to your email inbox and find the verification email from Retool. Click on the verification link within the email to confirm your account. Once verified, return to the Retool website and log in using your credentials. After logging in, you will be directed to the Retool dashboard. Explore the dashboard for an introduction to the platform's features. To create your first internal tool, click on the Create New App button. You will now encounter a blank canvas where you can start building your app. On the left side, find the component library containing various elements you can use. Drag and drop the components you need onto the canvas. To configure each component, click on it and adjust properties in the right panel. Connect your app to data sources by selecting Resources in the sidebar. Choose the desired database or API that you want to connect to. Enter the necessary credentials and settings to establish the connection. Once connected, you can fetch data to populate your app. Use the built-in editor to write queries and manipulate data as needed. To test your app, click on the Preview button at the top right corner. After testing, make any necessary adjustments based on your observations. When satisfied with your app, return to the dashboard. Click on the Deploy button to publish your app for use within your organization. You now have an internal tool built with Retool, ready for your team. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.